Hello, how's everyone doing today? We're going to be working on the friendship bracelet. I know everybody has a friend. If not you, you're going to be your own friend. But what we're going to do, we're going to take two pipe cleaners and we're going to tape it down to your table or your counter, wherever you're working at. And we're going to actually begin to twist each one. And we just kind of do a tight or either loose twist, however you want to twist it. And just begin to twist it. I chose chocolate and light blue. These are some of my, pretty nice colors that I like. And we're going to continue to twist it until we go all the way down to the other end. And as we get down to the other end, we're going to begin to wind it down. And we're going to take our time as we twist it because we want to tight twist it a little bit so that we'll be able to slide the beads through. And then once we do that, we just kind of lock it up a little bit. And then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to begin to slide my beads off. So what I did was I kind of lined my beads up to the colors of how I want them to go on my bracelet. So I chose the navy blue, and I'm going to kind of put it to the center. Then next, my accent will be the light blue to kind of match my light blue pipe cleaning. And then I'll do the black. The black one is going to be my other accent. And then I'll go again with my light blue. And I'll then finish it off with my navy. All right. And this is what it will look like. Afterwards, what I'm going to do, I've twisted it off already. And I'm going to take the clear ones, or either whatever color that you may have, put them on the end, and I'm going to fold it down to about where I think I might need my bracelet to be. And this right here is to keep the pipe cleaner from sticking you. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it down, move the beads down a little bit. We're going to take and fold it down, and as we fold it down, we're going to slide the beads up over it like that. Then we'll take the next one and fold it over and like that and slide it up a little bit. And this right here can be your end that will clasp your bracelet. Okay, so what we're going to do next, we're going to take it loose and we're going to do the same on the other side. But on this side, we're going to make it a little bit open, where the open can be a little bit wider so we can be able to slide this in to clasp it. So what we're going to do is twist it a little bit tighter, and we're going to take our end beads and slide them over, slide them again. All right, then what we're going to do is bring it down again, fold it over, and as we fold it over, we'll kind of do it like this. And we're going to take our end and slide it up over the bead, and then we're going to slide the other end up over the bead once again. So now we have it. So we're going to open up just a little bit. So this is right here where and then you can slide your other beads in the center as you begin to adjust it to go on your arm. So we're going to take it loose, and when we take it loose, we're going to just kind of form a little bit like a little bracelet. And you'll see how it is, and then this is the way you put it in to clasp it, to keep it closed. And then, ta-da, that's how that will look. And so next, I want to wear my bracelet. So I'm going to take my bracelet, take it and put it on here. I'm going to clasp it, and there I go. And away we go. And if you need to just adjust it a little bit so that it could be a little bit longer, a little bit wider, you can. And ta-da, here's my bracelet. And I just want you to enjoy your very special day. Thank you for being with me. Have a good day.